Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Adobe Premiere Pro error code 16096299695. The error reads "Render failed." As per our research, the error comes when users try to render a project through Adobe Media Encoder. Many users shared that it suddenly appears during rendering, even if everything was working fine before. According to our research, this error is likely caused by corrupt media clips, system settings, or rendering preferences. First, restart your system and check if your Adobe software is up to date. If there's any pending update, install it and try again. If the error still comes, then you might be dealing with a corrupt render file or a damaged clip. So try re-rendering the same section. If that doesn't help, replace the problematic clip with another one and check if the error still comes. If you still have the error, then try changing the renderer. Simply go to File, then select Project Settings and set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration, Software Only, then try rendering again. If you still get the error, then the issue may happen if your screen locks during export. So go to Windows Settings and set Turn Off Display After to Never, so your screen doesn't lock while exporting. If the issue still persists, then try deselecting Use Maximum Render Quality in the export settings. In case the error still doesn't resolve, change the composition settings. For example, switch from HDTV 1080/25 to HDV 1080 and check if that resolves the error. At last, if nothing helps, then in the Media Export dialog, set rendering to software instead of hardware GPU, and choose Single Pass and increase your Windows paging file to at least 55 GB. Then restart your device and check for the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.